Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Myology. Today I will be presenting on the muscles attachment of the camel scapula, their origin, insertion and the type or functions.
Okay, let's start with the lateral surface. So this is a lateral surface, this is a medial surface. So lateral surface, first is the deltoid muscles. Deltoid muscles originate from the spine of the scapula and inserts onto the deltoid tuberosity of humerus. The muscles act as a forelegs of the shoulder joint, helping to pull the limb forward. This is the supraspinatus muscles. Supraspinatus muscles arise from the supraspinatus fossa, which is area above the spine. It inserts on the greater tubercle of the humerus. Functionally, it is an extensor of the shoulder joint, helping lift the limb forward and stabilize the joint. Now the infraspinatus fossa. Originating from the infraspinatus fossa, insert on the greater tubercle of the humerus. It acts as a stabilizer of the shoulder and allows for the lateral rotation. Now on the medial surface of the scapula, the subscapularis muscles cover the subscapular fossa, which is broad, convex medial surface of the scapula. It inserts on the lesser tubercle of the humerus. It rolls to adduct the limb and help with the medial rotation of the shoulder. And other important muscle is the serratus ventral. Both cervical and thoracic part, it originates from the cervical vertebral and first few ribs and insert on the medial surface of the scapula. It acts as a supporting muscle, essentially suspending the body between the forelimb and forelimb like sling. Okay. Now moving to the dorsal border and the caudal angle of the scapula. This is the dorsal border and this is the caudal angle of the scapula. The rhomboideus muscles insert on the scapular cartilage. This muscle helps to elevate the scapula and keep it close to the body. The teres major muscles originate from the caudal angle of the scapula and insert on the shoulder and also assist in the medial rotation. The long head of the tricep brachials also originate from the caudal border of the scapula and insert onto the oricranial of the ulna. It functions primarily as an extensor of the elbow but also flexes the shoulder joint. Finally, let's look at the coracoid region near the glenoid cavity. The bicep brachial muscles originate from the supraglenoid tubercle close to the glenoid area and insert on the radial tuberosity. Also, region is a coracoid brachials. The region is a coracoid brachials, which is originate from the coracoid process and insert medially on the humerus. The scapula serve as the origin and insertion point of the muscles involved in flexion, extension, rotation, adduction and stabilization. These muscles work together to allow camels to move effectively, carry weight and adapt to their environment. And thank you for your attention.